What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, John and Drinks, kung saan tutulungan ko kayo ng tips and tutorials on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar. So if you're new to this channel, please click the like and subscribe button and let's make some cocktails guys. For today guys, papakita ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng Espresso Martini. Ang gagamitin nating baso is cocktail glass or coupe glass. Lagyan natin ng yelo. And tubig. So itong cocktail guys is shaken, so kailangan natin ng shaker. And first ingredient is sugar. For sugar guys, pwede naman kayong gumamit ng simple syrup lang or yung white sugar. Pero ako gagamitin ko is cinnamon syrup para makadagdag siya ng flavor sa cocktail. Ilalagay ko is half ounce. And next is coffee. So ang coffee kailangan natin dito is espresso guys. So pero kung wala naman kayong espresso, pwede nyo naman gamitin yung mga Nescafe na nasa sachet. And syempre, medyo matamis yon. Tikman nyo na lang kung gaano katamis para ma-adjust nyo kung gaano karaming sugar yung ilalagay nyo. And ngayon guys, let's brew our coffee. At ang ginamit ko palang coffee dito is Bon Cafe. Bon Cafe, baka naman. Bon Cafe, baka naman. Bon Cafe. So yun guys, tapos na natin i-brew yung coffee at ilagay na natin sa shaker. Ilalagay ko guys is 2 ounce. Init, ang init. Init. And next is alcohol guys. Ang gagamitin nating alcohol dito is vodka. Ilalagay kong vodka guys is 2 ounce. And also kung meron kayong coffee liqueur or yung sikat sa atin na kaluwa, pwede nyo siyang idagdag sa cocktail. Pero guys, wala kasi tayong kaluwa. Baka naman Tesco, Macro, SM, Robinson. Baka naman. Have a quick stir to taste. Sarap. Let's put some ice, guys. Let's shake our cocktail, guys. Try natin yung baso. And double try natin guys. Sakto! Garnish is lagyan natin ng coffee beans. There you go guys, Espresso Martini. Tikman natin. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful and if you want to see more videos on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video guys. Cheers!